To send money using a Keypad mobile, start by ensuring your phone is registered for mobile banking services with your bank or mobile money provider. This usually involves visiting the bank's website or mobile app, or dialing a specific code to register. Once registered, dial the mobile banking code provided by your bank or mobile money provider. This code is usually a short sequence of numbers that connects you to the mobile banking menu. From the menu, select the option to send money. This option is typically labeled as Send Money, Transfer Funds, or Pay Bill. Next, enter the recipient's mobile number or account number, depending on the requirements of your mobile banking service. Ensure the number is correct to avoid sending money to the wrong person. After entering the recipient's details, you will be prompted to enter the amount you want to send. Type in the amount using the keypad, making sure to include the correct currency symbol if required. You will then be asked to enter your mobile banking PIN or password to authenticate the transaction. This is a security measure to prevent unauthorized transactions. Once you have entered your PIN or password, confirm the transaction details, including the recipient's number and the amount being sent. If all details are correct, confirm the transaction to complete the money transfer. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that the transaction has been successful. It is essential to keep your mobile banking PIN or password secure to prevent unauthorized access to your account. Also, ensure you have sufficient funds in your account before initiating a transaction. By following these steps, you can easily send money using your Keypad mobile, providing a convenient and secure way to transfer funds to friends, family, or pay bills.